Here are the Ocean Breeze East 802. It's a top floor unit. You walk in, you're looking down a hallway. You've got a full-size washer and dryer. You walk on in, they do have tile floors. Kitchen is very nice. You've got, it's not very big. You've got stainless appliances, granite countertops, nice cabinetry. It is open. You've got a living room, dining room combo. Turn around and look back. You can see. Then we're off the living room. You're going to have a master bedroom. It is open to the deck. You've got your master bath. It does have a tub. We're going to walk back one more bedroom. First off, you've got the bath that's in the hall. Again, everything is tile. And then we're going to go in, and here is the front bedroom. It's all tans, neutrals. It's very good condition. Crown molding. We're going to walk outside. They did just replace all of these doors. Deck is probably 20 feet wide, long, and 10 feet wide. Here is your view of the Gulf. Your view down of the pool.